Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photo to Instagram story in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a way to upload multiple pictures on an Instagram story like a collage, I'll walk you through a few simple steps. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To add multiple photos to an Instagram story, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, at the top of your Instagram profile, tap the plus icon. From the pop-up screen that appears, select Story. A new screen will appear with photos and videos from your device gallery. Select multiple pictures that you want to post on your Instagram story. Once selected, tap Next at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you will see two options. Select Layout from the options. After selecting, Instagram will take you to the editing screen. Here, you can customize your story by adding effects, music, and more. Once you're done, tap your story at the bottom of the screen to post all the photos at once. Now, your followers will see multiple photos in one story.